3.5 Alpine on it. So good. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Supercar Specifics. I am in Yorkville. There was snow, it rained, it warmed up. Okay guys, just a quick interjection here. I don't know if you know it, but it's just been announced that the new McLaren W1 will also be joined by a McLaren F-1 and a McLaren P1 at the auto show. So don't worry, I'll be covering it all. So this is massive.
That's what she said.
We're gonna have a $20 million McLaren F1, the first one I've ever seen, and for all I know, in Toronto. So to have all three plus the brand new McLaren F1 is huge. And okay guys, let's get into the content. Let's get back to the intro.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Really warm, it's like 0 degrees Celsius. I'm here because I wanted to do my intro from here. I want to wish you guys a happy Festivus. If you're a Seinfeld fan, you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you guys, 2025 was probably about the most weirdest year I've ever had my entire life.
An old issue of Weird Man. Awesome. I haven't read this classic in years.
Say the day of my accident that disabled me for life, that had to be the weirdest day of my life. But 2025 was probably about the second worst day of my life. Worst year. Well, let's talk about the successes. We had Montreal Grand Prix, that was a success. Connecticut was a success. There was some successes, but there was a lot of like letdowns.
You get a little flash of anger when someone tells you you got tits like a 40-year-old woman.
But let me tell you, 2026, I'm going on a tear. I'm going scorched earth, and I'm going to take this channel to the level it should be at. Monaco, top marks in May. Monterey in California, Car Week, that's for sure. Those two things are for sure because I'm going with people I can rely on. But it's like with my accident, I lost my ability to walk. And if I would have just sat around and moped around and felt sorry for myself, I don't know where I'd be. I do this for you guys. This isn't for me, this is for you guys. Aww. Doing this for you cheers me up. I fight every day. I don't take painkillers, I don't drink, I don't do drugs. I fight. My subway doesn't have an elevator, I gotta go up and down those stairs. I gotta fight a lot. Getting dressed, showering, every little goddamn thing I do is a chore. So when I feel those letdowns, I really feel it. So in 2026, it's gonna be a different year, it's gonna be good. We are going to fight. And it's gonna be a good one, you guys. I'm gonna get healthy. We're gonna take on 2026, you guys.
There's no child too tough for Super Nanny. In just 3 days' time, you're going to see a new
Supercar Specifics.
I'm afraid Super Nanny is in a deep state of mental psychosis.
I saw a GT3 RS when I was on the subway. We were going across the bridge, I looked down, there was a silver GT3 RS. So, you never know, it might be here somewhere. I don't know, I'm gonna do a couple laps and then I got a couple things I gotta do. Like, share, and subscribe, keep the comments positive, not political. And yeah, 2026, you guys, it's gonna be my goddamn year. So stay tuned. And let's get to it, you guys. Oh, and thank you for all those who do support me. And know that I'm a good guy, and know that I have a good heart, and know that I'm doing this to bring you guys good content. It's not about me. So wake up, let's get to it, let's do this. And okay guys, I'll probably see you in 2026. Okay guys, look at this Alpina B8. Look at that interior. This is absolutely psycho. Remember, for all your detailing needs, please check out Cato's Auto Salon. I might even get some shots of this. This is freaking insane, dude. Wow, I just stumbled across it, came to wish the boys at Cato's a happy Festivus, and stumbled across this, so pretty set. Alpina is leaving. So nice. Puts his dog in the back seat. So good. Wow. That is so nice. Okay guys, we have a Brabus S-Class. This thing is sick. You can see it by the Brabus badge. All the carbon. Just doesn't have the wheels, I'm guessing because of winter, but super sick. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Becky, look at her butt.
That is so good. There's something going on at the Hazelton, so apparently like some woman fell unconscious and I think she has like alcohol poisoning or something, but there's like cop, ambulance, 2 ambulances, so I think she's got taken away. That's exactly why I don't drink, you guys.
Never meant to cause you any
So, or do drugs. But yeah, she got too drunk and passed out really hard, and so I guess she's in the ambulance, got alcohol poisoning. So remember you guys, keep it social, don't drink that hard, that's dumb. Okay guys, we have a really, I don't know what year it is, it's in the 60s, but this is an old 60s Austin Healey. It is absolutely great. If you guys know the history of this car, this is what Carroll Shelby used to develop the 427 Cobra out of. So Carroll Shelby took it, wide bodied it, put the 427 in it, and yeah, so this thing is absolutely beautiful. Good old chandelier. Bless you. The green on this is absolutely insane. We got double McLaren. But that green is fire. Dude, this 458 is so good. Oh my god. Okay guys, just a quick side note right here. I know that clip was kind of blurry, but sometimes you gotta understand I'll be filming or shooting or getting cinematics of a car and something will come by and it catches me off guard. But I do have a new camera coming in to rectify that situation, so I won't have to switch between 50 million different lenses. And if it's any consolation, I do notice that in some of the big YouTubers videos they will leave in blurred clips or shaky, so it's not like, you know, I'm the only one. Okay guys, we got a 720 on BBS with carbon fiber. I don't know which carbon kit this is. I think it's 1016. Maybe it's Novatech, I can't see. That's a 765 front bumper, but this is sick. And yeah, anything with BBS wheels, I like. That's so sick. And then a Golf 991.1 GT3 RS in the Golf livery is so good. Okay guys, look at this Golf livery 991.1 GT3 RS and a purple Barracuda. How crazy is this? I'm gonna do what I can to shoot this. It's kind of in an awkward spot.
That's what she said.
To see a Golf livery 3 RS is absolutely incredible. Three RS. Ooh, that's a good spec. 3 RS, 2 3 RSs. Looks like there's the Pista again. Sick. There. Second STO, and it's modified. Oh, it's a Rocky, dude. It's a Vorsteiner. Oh, this stupid SUV. Get out of the way. It's the Vorsteiner one. Is it a bigger wing?
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home.
STO, dude. So good. Damn. Just waiting to do exhaust, but that looks so good. The higher wing. The air intake winglets. So sick, dude. M3CS in Riviera Blue. Psycho. M4CS. Sorry, I keep getting all mixed up. Right beside the 765, but dude, that's rigged up. So we got Darren's 765 LT, and then what do we have here? 650. Oh, love that color. Wow, dude. BRG on a 650, that's pretty sick. MB412C? No, 650. Sorry, 650. There's Watchpoint, or Sean Jalili. What's up, dude? So that's M4CS and then M3CS. That thing's gonna be 1,000 horsepower. Good spec. That is so cool. Take that over the Urus any day. Oh, it's legit. It's got the legit sticker. Black 356. Wow, dude. That's sick. Perfect. 964. Carrera 2. Wow. Taking the kiddos out for a drive. That's pretty sick. Don't worry, we're scheduling a ride. That looks so good, dude. Sick. Damn, dude.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end it there. And as I always say at the end of each vlog,
See, Mrs. Santa caught me her sister, and I'm out on my ass now.
wait a minute, I don't say that, I say this.